Hello, it's Monica from Crafting with Quilling Lady, and I hope you have absolutely wonderful day. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 3 super quick and easy masculine cards. And I hope this video will inspire you to create something similar. For all my projects today, I'm going to use Hawaiian shirt cutting die by Sue Wilson from Creative Expressions. I got this cutting die a few weeks ago at Craftorama. I absolutely love it, and I thought today is the day to use it to create some quick and easy masculine cards. In the leaflet inside, you also have some inspiration you can use to create your own projects. As you can see, the outer edge has a top folding flap, which means you can create your card bases, and that's exactly what I did here. Super quick and easy, and it makes your projects absolutely amazing. To create my first card, I decided to use design paper called Lovely Mystery, and you can use literally any papers you've got. First, I wanted something with ombre effect, and that's what I got here, and with some blue. I thought, let's keep the very first card super simple. As you can see, I'm using low-tack tape just to make sure the die doesn't move when I put it through a die cutting machine. And when we've got these elements ready, our card is nearly done. We just have to assemble it and add a sentiment. For all my cards today, I decided to use sentiments in Polish because I don't really make that many masculine cards in Polish, so I thought today is the day. And for the first one, I use alphabet cutting die set, and I use it to create 2 words, which actually means 100 years, because that's what we actually say for birthday, which actually means like best wishes as well. And whenever you use alphabet cutting die set, you can create any sentiment you want, and I really encourage you to explore your alphabet sets. Now there is plenty of space to write your message inside, and our first card is done. For the second one, I die cut the shirt in 300 GSM white stamping card, and to decorate it I thought let's have a look at the shimmer powders I got a few months ago, and I chose some blues, purples and some greens, and I absolutely love all those color combos. And if you have never ever used shimmer powders or brush powders, they're just so much fun, and it was amazing. I absolutely love to use them, and they really give you that nice sheen when you turn it to the light. I love it, and I think I will use those powders more often in the future. If you want, you can see all the names, you can pause the video, and even if you don't have those shimmer powders, you can use anything else to actually add color. If you have some paste or waxes, use them, because you will be amazed how many beautiful designs you can create. Just to make sure my first layer of the color is dry, I'm going to use my heat tool, because later on I want to add those greens on top, and that's exactly what I did here. If you are scared of bending your fingers, you can use tweezers. That's absolutely fine. Now I move on to some green powders, because why not? And this cutting die set is absolutely stunning because you can use so many different techniques, any scrap papers you've got in your stash. As you can see, any powders, even watercolors, pencils, alcohol markers, you can create your own designs, and that's what I really encourage you to do. Even if you don't have this cutting die set, you can create your own shirt template. And if you have ever made a shape card in the shape of a shirt, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to see it. And also, I wonder, how often do you make masculine cards? Please let me know. Now I've got my shirt and a pocket ready, and I die cut the word birthday in gold mirror cut in Polish. And now it is time to assemble all the pieces together, and to do it I'm using my one and only liquid glue, magic glue, because it is perfect for any paper craft projects. As you can see, I turned my card, because this way I'll make sure that everything is adhered properly. And yes, I decided to put the sentiment at the bottom, and our second card is done. What do you think about those shimmer powders for the design here. For the third card, I decided to use some stamps. And this card is actually for someone very special. Yes, I had him in my mind when I was creating that shirt. And I decided to use very dark gray ink pad here instead of black. I just wanted, let's say, not too subtle, but more subtle color than black. And as you can see, I'm literally stamping all the fish here. And in the end, it was so much fun, and I think I will make those shirts more often with fish. It was just so much fun. If you have never ever created a card or project for a person who likes fish or fishing, I really encourage you to do it. It's absolutely stunning. I had so much fun. Now when this is ready, I've got card base again in 300 GSM white card, and it is time to assemble all the pieces. So it is nearly the end of our third cut, so these are seriously super simple, easy projects to create. And now I die cut Best Wishes in Polish using gold mirror card, and it is time to assemble all the words, and the card is completely done. And I wonder, what is your favorite technique for making masculine cards? Do you like to use digital papers, design papers, stamping, or cutting dies? Please let me know in the comments down below. Here I couldn't think where to put the sentiment, so I decided a little bit at the top, and I added few gold gems where there is a dot above the letter, and simply that's it. The card is complete. I love it. I didn't use any colors for this one. I just wanted to have it with black and grey. And now you can see all three cards side by side, and I really wonder, which one is your favorite? Which one would you like to give it a go? And I really hope you feel inspired to create a masculine card in few days. If you do, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching and spending that time with me. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!